guys, it's Tammy and welcome back to the 12 tags of Christmas. This is going to be kind of fun. We're going to make some ornaments and you can use scraps if you have scraps, or you can use a pattern paper that you happen to like, whatever you want. I think that one's really cute. This one's really cute. You can do them all different. Oh, that's really pretty too. You could do them all different. You could do them all the same. It doesn't matter. It's up to you however you want to decorate it. I'm just looking at all my options. I really like that one snowman. And I really like the stripes too, or if I had some plaids, this would be perfect for that. So I'm going to use one of each of these. We're going to make 3. And I actually still have some of this left over, so I'm going to use that one too. I mean, why not, right? And you want a circle punch. Mine happens to be a 2-inch punch. And I'm just going to punch a circle out from each piece of cardstock. I don't know if it will cut through both, but we're going to give it a try. This. Now, because I am a little OCD, I'm going to cut this off before I go nuts that it's on here. And then I have that for stash. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this off too. Those are stash. And I'll put these over here until the season is over. And then I will throw them away if I haven't used them by then. And then I'm going to take one smaller punch. This one happens to be a 3/4 inch punch. And I want another piece of cardstock, something that matches. Oh, that might not match. Does this one match? Doesn't necessarily match, but it doesn't not match. But you know what? This will match totally. So I'm just going to use this. And I'm just going to cut 3 little circles. So I know you guys are with me here. This is super simple so far. And this one, since it's striped, I can make it so that it's striped this way or striped this way, or just kind of at an angle, and that's kind of what I'm leaning toward. Then I'm going to take my glue, and on the bottom of this circle I'm going to put some glue, and then I'm going to glue this circle to the back of the big circle, like that. And one more. And I'm just doing 3 tags most of the time just to kind of give you guys an idea, but you could easily make multiples, or you could just make one if you needed, whatever you like. And these all happen to be white in the back, so that works out perfectly. I can write my to from back there. I got some glue on that little tree. And then I'm going to take another hole punch. This is to actually punch the ornament so that you can put your string through it. That wasn't very centered, was it? I'm off kilter on all of them. And then you can use whatever ribbon you want. I think I'm going to do the red one this time. One, 2, 3. That should be enough for all 3 of them. And I'll do it about here. And then here. And we're just going to put these on same way we have been. I'm folding it in half, sticking the folded part through the hole that I've created for the ornament, and then pulling the 2 strings back through the hole. So again, I'll try to do it in slower motion. I'm just folding this in half, sticking the loop in the front through the back, put my fingers through this hole, grab to my strings and just pull. Super easy, and I like the way that it works because then I can tie this onto something if I want. I can tape it onto something if I want. Their options are plentiful. There we go. Those are our 3 Christmas tags for today. Super easy, but super cute, and you can just write, "To the world's greatest crafter, your biggest fan," or whoever you're sending something to. There you go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy creating. Bye-bye.